Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 8:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Sunday night, October 10th, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell if you want to be notified of these videos. Thumbs up and share the video if you don't mind. I think people should know about the Origin Protocol. It is backed by a couple of these YouTube founders, which is pretty remarkable. Plus, not to mention, the YouTube founders talk about the people that the Origin Protocol have hired that come from YouTube, that are that have really been the core folks inside of YouTube that made it all work well in terms of the engineering, etc. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Let's go into Origin US dollar. We're definitely under pressure. There's no question about it. It's across all cryptos. It is not only Origin going down. So don't feel like, oh, why did I pick this? It's across the board. It's across the board. Look, we had a pullback today, and to be expected. We were pretty much, Bitcoin had taken off up to 56.5 and came all the way crashing down to 53 and change, 54, low 54s and change. So it was all the way 56.5, comes all the way back a couple thousand and change points, almost 5% drop within a matter of minutes. So look, that's going to create a lot of people scared. And where's the scaring comes? The scared folks. Who are the scared folks? They are people in the altcoin market because they're retail investors primarily. And so you're going to see altcoins sell off, and you can see it in the Bitcoin dominance pair. But in the meantime, we're still in this upside down head and shoulders pattern, or inverted head and shoulders pattern. I just don't see the exact level of support here. If we, I picked the wrong one, but on this on the orange line, if we do happen to break further below, I think we have a reasonable area of support at 73 cents. It's not to say we won't rebound from here. I think we will rebound slowly. I think we're going to probably chop for a little bit. In the meantime, Origin Bitcoin pair has hit a new support line of 1500, and to be expected when you have a big roiling in the altcoin market. These Origin Protocol to Bitcoins, as well as other altcoin to Bitcoin pairs, they always get shellacked. Well, we have a reasonable line of around 1500 and change, and if you go back all the way back in time, we've had it back here, we've had it here, and we're having it here again. I don't anticipate us going much further below where we're at right now. We're going to have to keep our eye on that tomorrow morning. Right now, Bitcoin is the story and the problem. So we kind of came out of the channel. We actually had a channel forming here. It started to come out. And what happened was we went from 56,500 all the way down to 54,300. And you can see it right here in the 1 day. You can see the volatility here. It's pretty steep. And that created a lot of concern in the Bitcoin dominance pair. As you can see here, we kind of melted up. We've been melting up since 4 or so today. And this is exactly what's been going on. We've been definitely hitting a big thrust upward. Now, I don't know that this is going to continue to go up. I think once Bitcoin levels off and we see less people worried, this should start to drift back down. But in the meantime, taking a look at this, you can see how far up it's gone. It's gone up dramatically. On the last video on Friday, on October 8th, we were kind of trending down a little bit, clearly starting to make the move back up. So a little bit of fear happening this evening in Bitcoin, but we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. In the meantime, I think we have a height of 45.37 if the Bitcoin dominance does start its rally again, but a floor at around 44.60. I think Origin will kind of resume its sideways chop, but at a lower level. And if you're in it for the long term, like myself, you should be okay with whatever the price is right now. As long as you know what your horizon is, and it's not today and tomorrow, and you're looking for a really long-term value proposition, this thing has it. Anyway, again, so let's just take a look at Origin US dollar. Worst case scenario here, if it goes down hard, it would have a nice area of support at 74 cents. And at the same time, I think we're gonna be fine at 1,500 here. So I don't think we're gonna go smashing down to 74 cents overnight. I think we'll probably be sideways. We're gonna have to reassess in the morning. Talk soon.